Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jalapeno cheese zero oil noodles. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have about 200 grams of your favorite noodles, 1 fresh jalapeno, and 50 grams of a creamy cheese. Next, bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium-sized pot. Add your noodles and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes until al dente. Remember to drain them well, saving a small amount of the starchy water. Now, let's prepare our flavorful sauce. Carefully dice 1 fresh jalapeno into very small pieces. You can remove the seeds and membranes if you prefer a milder spice level. In a heat-proof bowl, combine the finely diced jalapeno with about 50 grams of your chosen cheese, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack. Then, add 2 tablespoons of the warm, reserved noodle water to this mixture. This helps create a smooth, creamy base for our zero oil sauce. It's time to bring everything together. Take your warm, drained noodles and add them directly into the bowl with the jalapeno and cheese mixture. Using tongs or a fork, gently toss and stir the noodles. The residual heat from the noodles will help melt the cheese, creating a luscious, zero oil sauce. Continue stirring for about 1 minute until every strand is beautifully coated. If it seems too thick, add 1 more tablespoon of the reserved noodle water. Your delicious jalapeno cheese zero oil noodles are now ready to be enjoyed. Transfer them to a serving bowl right away to savor them while warm and creamy. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little more kick. This quick and easy recipe offers a satisfying, flavorful meal without any added oil. Enjoy every single bite of this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.